Hello everyone, Notion Switch here. Today we'll take a look at our Get Things Done template and learn how to make the most of it. This is gonna help you getting things done literally. Okay, as usual, first, this is the overall look of the template. There is several sections: quick button, personal companion, navigation, task, and calendar. Okay, so quick description here. On the left side, we have the 3 quick button section. We can add a new task, project, and resources using this button. The next in the bottom is personal companion. Think of it as your assistant. It will greet you based on the time. You just need to change the name to your own name. And you can also rename Jarvis to whoever you want it to be. Let's try, for example, change the name of these two. You can click here and then change it, and voila, it will automatically change to. In the board, we can see our today task and overdue task, reminding us about task summary. The task is clickable, so if we click, we can directly go into our today task and our overdue task. We can click the back button to go back to the main dashboard. The next is navigation section, which have review, resource, project, task, archive, and database itself. Clicking this menu will bring us to its respective page for more detailed information. We will explore this in more detail in the following section. The next is task section. The task section is divided into 3. Next action, which is the task that we need to do as soon as possible. Maybe later, which is task that can be done later. And also done section, which showcase our finished task. We can click the here to add the details. To add new tasks, we can use the quick button or plus new section here and fill in the details. All of this task view is limited in this week time frame only, to focus on the upcoming week task. Each of the section is including each action button. For example, for the task in next action, it has done and later button. So if we click it to later, we can see it directly moves into maybe later section. And when we click the same task in maybe later with action button, we can see it back to its corresponding places. The done button will change the status to done and move it to done section. On the done section, the button is archive only, which will make it disappear from the main dashboard into archives page. The last part is calendar. Here, we can see the task and project with their status based on their due date. We can also move, drag, and drop it directly in the calendar to change their due date. We can click the Open in Calendar to open it in Notion Calendar apps. Okay, now let's explore the navigation section more. The first is Review page. Inside, we can see the tasks that due this week, the same with in the main dashboard. We can also review our project related with the task in board mode. Easily drag and drop it to change the project status. Resource with the status in review is also available here waiting to be reviewed. It has project and task view related to the resources. For the resources, we can use Notion Web Clipper and then connect it to our resources database to easily capture any resources from web directly into our database. Okay, the next page is resources. Here, we can see our resources by project, task, status, or even type. At the bottom is all the records of our resources. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. And the next page is project. Here, the task is grouped into project. So we can drag the task into the other project and then changing the other details by directly clicking it. Below is the timeline view of our project. We can see it in weekly, monthly, and yearly, depending on our preferences, just by clicking the different view. Okay, Let's go back to the dashboard again. And the next is task page. It is a big board, so the task is grouped by the status and subgrouped with the project. So just drag and drop to change the status or even move it to other project. Okay, the next page is archives. Inside are the collection of project, tasks and resources that have status archive in it. It's good to store all of the archive that may be useful in the future. And the next is our database page. Please don't delete anything here as it stores all of our data in this template. With this simple ready-to-use system, we can make sure that every task is getting done easily. Okay, that's it for the Getting Things Done template. If you have any question, comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more template and Notion tips and tricks. The download link is in the description below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.